Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this brand new listing, double RV garage pool home for a client. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Sorry for the wind, guys. So it does have a stamped concrete driveway. Nice stonework in the front. Looks like it has an 8-foot entry door. All right, guys, let's go on in and check it out. Okay, guys, so it's a little brisk and windy out in Havasu today, so I'm inside because of the wind. But anyways, this is 3363 Palo Verde South at the top of Palo Verde, so it's not super busy. It's just listed about 11 days ago for $970. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home built in 2019, 1,901 square feet. Just listed about a week ago for $970. Nice open living area. Kind of a center kitchen with a eat at breakfast bar. You have tall ceilings, can lights, nice ceiling fan, fireplace. It's stacked stonework on the fireplace. 8-foot slider out to the backyard pool area. Plank tile floors. Have an extra long granite topped bar that goes all the way out. Glass tile backsplash. All stainless appliances, reverse osmosis at your sink. Kind of Jack and Jill's around to the main hallway. Also has 4-inch baseboards, trowel down walls and ceilings. Let's just start going this way. See what we run into. So you have your laundry and garage access there to the left. This looks like the master suite with a 8-foot slider out to the backyard pool area. Can lights in here, tall ceilings as well. So the furniture can be included or made available outside of escrow, of course. You have a double barn door slider into the master bath. Dual sinks with granite tops. All 8-foot interior doors in here as well. You have your walk-in closet. You have your toilet with its own door, a little linen closet, and a tiled walk-in shower. Has dual heads and a rain head out of the ceiling, which is pretty cool. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So back off the entry, you have your entry door. And basically behind the kitchen, you have a guest bedroom. Tall ceilings in here as well, can light, ceiling fan. The house is decorated pretty nicely. So down the hall, you run into your guest bath. Same granite tops. Nice tiled shower tub combo. And at the end of the hall, you have your second guest bedroom. This is at the front of the house. Tall windows in here, tall ceilings, can light, ceiling fan. This one also has a big walk-in closet. So back off the kitchen and master, you have your indoor laundry, granite top utility sink, and then your door to the garage setup. So you have a real nice garage setup. You have a 2-car side with 23-foot bays, 8-foot doors. Of course, they have upgraded windowed garage doors. They are insulated, and there are 2 mini split AC units in here, epoxy floors, LED lights. So you have double doors to hide your water softener, hot water, your irrigation timers. There's RO and another utility sink and some storage. So you also have a huge double wide RV garage. It's 22 feet wide at the door opening. Has a 49-foot and a 70-foot bay, 14-foot door. This car lift can be made available outside of escrow along with the furniture. Has nice ceiling fans in here. So this is the 70-foot bay. Of course, the ceiling's a little low in here. Looks like it's about 8 feet. Has can lights. Door out to the pool area. And your third bathroom lives back here at the end. So this would be your pool bathroom. Real nice setup. Granite, can lights, big walk-in shower with tile floors. Little workbench, and then they have a dedicated little work area back here as well. It's LED lights. So there's also a loft mezzanine up here, up the stairs. It's a pretty cool setup. It looked a little low in the pictures, but there's actually plenty of room up here to stand up. So you have a little office setup, TV, there's carpet, window, surround sound. Even have a little lake shot out the window up here, pretty cool. All right, let's go check out the pool setup. You have a real cool backyard pool setup. Travertine decking and coping with some stacked stone in the back and the raised beam. Glass tile on the steps. Big, tall, long covered patio with LED lights and ceiling fans. Really nicely landscaped. All your pool equipment and your mini split condensers on this side of the house. Cool little bar. Here's your double doors into the RV garage side where the bathroom lives. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Palo Verde. Again, this one was just listed 11 days ago for $970. All the furniture and that car hoist are available outside of escrow. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original pictures, current listing price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.